P. Let's explore what we can do using a plotter pen with our ShopBot CNC machine. To set things up, we'll insert a mini Sharpie into the bottom of the shaft and a weight into the top. The weight applies pressure on the top of the pen to help us to achieve a consistent mark when drawing. We'll make our cut depth 0.15 inches and make sure that we're drawing on the line. Before running our job, remember to turn off the spindle. The plotter pen simply follows each line until our entire drawing is finished. Drawing using a CNC machine is surprisingly simple and satisfying, and the pen itself, well, is relatively inexpensive. Now you can create a simple drawing like our letter P, or draw more complicated designs like this one.